You already know what type of video this is, as I always say. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, because I really appreciate it if you guys would come chill with me, hang with your girl, watch my videos, you know. But before we get into this video, yo, this weather has been killing me softly. Like, it's been raining non-stop for like 5 days. This shit is crazy. But that's why, if you notice anything different, I'm using artificial lighting today, being that it's dark and gloomy outside. So I don't really like artificial lighting, but it is what it is. Just to speed this video up, I already unboxed the sneakers, and you know, I don't complain about a lot of things. I really don't complain about a lot of things. I'm not the type of person, oh, I don't know, there's blue stains on this, there's whatever on that, whatever on the shoe. But listen, so my sneakers came. So I open a box and I pull the sneakers out. I'm like, why is one side of the box like bending in? Bro. I don't know what they were doing with this box, but damn, I mean, damn. Like, I got these from Finish Line. I paid a retail price of $120 for these. Okay, and I got these in a size 6.5. Here's the box. Okay, let's get right into this. Okay, so when I first opened it up, I see the two laces. I love when the Jordan 1s come with the two laces. I just love it. Like, I probably would switch out the laces, maybe. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it, but I might. But let's pull out one of these sneakers and get all up in it. Okay, so off the back, I love. I love the way these look. They look like a grungy, dirty, like, suede. Like, you know how when you have suede sneakers and you like, either you skateboard, you just play hard in your sneakers and they start getting all scraped up and patchy and things like that. This is what they remind me of. I love the way these look, and the suede is actually really soft. Like, it's really soft to the touch. These are a cool looking pair of sneakers, like really cool. I love I love the different textures. Right here you have that suede, then you have the leather right here behind the swoosh, and then when you come up you also have this suede, but it's not as soft as this suede, if that makes any sense. This suede is a little more plush than this one. This one has like a textured, I don't know, it has like a little rougher feeling. Like, this is like butter soft suede, like. So let's get into the shoe. That turbo green sock lining, these look so bomb, like so bomb. That turbo green sock lining. The tongue is actually like an off-white sail type of color. It's not like white, traditional white. It has that like vintagey yellowed effect to it, just like the sole. And it comes with the gray bottoms, which I love. The gray bottoms give it a basic touch, and it also matches the gray suede up here. The little purple swoosh on the tongue is rather cute with the little pop of yellow. I love, 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 love. I love it. I have the Air Jordan wing, and it's in like a little plastic. Like, it's nothing too spectacular about it. It would have been hard if they actually put it in metal. I think that would have been super dope if they actually put this, if they actually put this piece in metal. It would have made it like stand out a little more, and it would have matched the sole a little better. But all in all, I'm super happy about these. These remind me of spring, honestly. This is a good spring sneaker. So if I'm able to find these still available online, I'll link them down below in the description box so you guys can pick up a pair for yourself also. But these are what they look like. Air Jordan 1 Turbo Green.